Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about the cutoff rank and cutoff score for DNB in the final round for 2021, so that you can set your goal if you want to have DNB as an option in your counseling. And I will talk about the tuition fee, stipend amount that you will be getting, and what are the different factors that you need to take care, I need to have in mind before you do the counseling for DNB. So let's get started. Before that, I will tell you we do have the paid services as well, and you can call us to the number given on the screen 9319128677 to avail our paid services. In the paid services, we provide each and every details that is required for you to get the best result out of the counseling process. Counseling process is as important as the examination, because after examination you get the score and that is not going to change. Based on the score, based on your preferences, your state, and different options that you have, first of all you need to know what are the options available to you, and depending on all those options you need to have a best option so that you don't regret after the counseling gets over that someone who had similar rank as yours and they got better college and you couldn't get that one. So you should not regret, and for that you can go ahead with our paid services. So let's get started with the video. The first thing is the tuition fee. Tuition fee for DNB is 1.25 lakhs per annum, and the course duration will be of 3 years. 1.25 for each and every course, whether it's clinical or non-clinical or the top clinical or the lower clinical branches. The fee is going to be 1.25 per year. Now coming after tuition fee, the stipend amount. The stipend amount is around 37,000 per month. That's the minimum one, and depending on the states it will increase, and depending on the colleges, hospitals actually, it will increase. Suppose it's in Haryana, NCR region, Delhi, the stipend amount is going to be some around in Delhi 90,000 to 1 lakh. There are states where the stipend amount remains as low as 37,000, but you will be getting a stipend amount, and there is no budget issue here. 1.25 lakhs is the yearly you need to pay, and will getting much more than the tuition fee you are paying. Now what are the factors that you keep in mind? I will tell you the cutoff marks in the further slides. I have in detail the cutoff score, so that you set the target that how much you need to score to get a particular branch pertaining to DNB, and what will the cutoff rank is all based on the last counseling process, last round of counseling process, that is fourth round or maybe third round sometimes, and how different the counseling process of DNB is going to happen this year. I will tell you about that also. So first thing first, what are the factors you need to keep in mind when it comes to DNB? You should have a very good idea about the hospitals you are going to get admission into. First thing is number of beds. Okay. Patient flow. If you have a good patient flow, you will be getting hands-on opportunity, and you need to know about the hospital which branch is good. It's not always necessary that the top hospital has all the branches good there. Even a hospital that ranks lower can be very good for a particular branch. Like for ophthalmology, Shankar Netralaya is very good, but not for other branches likewise. So that's where our paid services comes into picture. Other factors that you need to keep in mind: the number of beds, patient flow, uh, academics, and faculties there, SR, the senior resident, and you can say call them guide also. So how cooperative they are. Do you happen to get hands-on opportunity, or they keep you involved only in paperwork or documentation work? Uh, Especially coming to surgical branches, the hands-on opportunity, that amount of hands-on opportunity you get is very important. Ultimately, if you have got admission in good hospital where the hands-on opportunity is good, academics is good, then you will be ending up having much better experience than a candidate who does MSMD. Okay, so from last 6 to 7 years, the courage for the popularity internationally as well as nationally for DNB has gone uh, very higher at very higher rate, and now is considered very equivalent to MSMD. So don't think from that perspective. Just be ready to work hard and get the opportunity and learn. You will be a better doctor than MSMD, than the one who does MSMD. Okay, so don't worry from that factor. Now coming to the cutoff score for radiology, radio diagnosis, the cutoff score is going to be around 720 to 750, and the rank would be lying between 10,000 to 11,000 in the last round of counseling. Dermatology, it would be around 750 to 760, and the cutoff rank would be 9,000 to 10.5 thousand. Okay, coming to general medicine, you should score between 660 to 675, and the cutoff rank is going to be 23,000. Pediatrics, it will be around 645 to 655, and the cutoff rank would be 26,000 to 27,000. Ops Gynae, most preferred branch by female candidate. The cutoff score would be 620 to 630, and the rank would be around 26,000. For TB and chest, the cutoff score would be 655 to 660, and the rank would be around 24,000 you need to score. Orthopedics also you need to score around 24,000, and in marks you need to have a score between 615 to 625. General surgery branch, you need to have a score between 620 to 635, and the rank would be going until 33,000. Ophthalmology, you need to score around 585 to 605 to get a ophthalmology branch, and the cutoff rank will be 45,000. ENT, 590 to 600, and the cutoff rank will be 50,000. Anesthesia, cutoff score is 585 to 595, and the cutoff rank is 44,000. Coming to psychiatry medicine, the cutoff score would be 625 630, and rank would be around 31,000. Radiotherapy, 575 to 590, and the cutoff rank is around 50,000. Emergency medicine, you can get in a score of 605 to 615, and the cutoff rank would be 42,000 in 2021. Nuclear medicine, you need to score around 685 to 695, and the cutoff rank would be around 23,000. Pathology, you will be getting in the rank of 60,000 also, and the score you need to have around 624 to 630. Family medicine, you need to score around 600 to 610, and the rank for the cutoff rank will be around 45,000. Plastic surgery, neurosurgery, and cardio surgery, these three branches, the duration for these three branches is of 6 years. So you will get super specialization degree in DNB itself, but you need to study for 6 years. The cutoff rank would be 34,000 for plastic surgery, 28,000 for neurosurgery, and 32,000 for cardiosurgery. Number of seats is also less, and number of hospitals providing these courses is also less. So there is bit competition also, and the score you need to have, you can see on the screen. So again, I iterate, DNB is going to be very good option for those candidates who come from EWS category or general category, those who suffer or of not having a reservation, but they are also not very financially very sound. So you can have DNB as an option starting from day one, because the counseling for DNB this time is going to be in parallel with MSMD. Last time it was different. The trend is going to change. It was confirmed last year itself. Earlier it used to be after a couple of rounds of MSMD has happened for deemed private, government, state, all India quota, everything, then the DNP process of counseling starts. So they will get there will be a little bit of negative shift this year, you can see, because the counseling will be happening in parallel. So the candidates having good rank will try for DNB also since the beginning, and if they happen to have DNB, they can choose DNB over MSMD also. Okay, so you can see negative shift, but it's a good course. And if you want any kind of further information, you can call us on this number, especially for paid service, and subscribe to the channel. This is going to be very important platform for you for the counseling process. You can get a lot of information regarding counseling process for free, and for next process you can call us. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Thank you.